Hello everyone and welcome back to Cloud BI Academy. So today day one of 30 days of Python series. So if you stay with this series every day, then after 30 days you will be confident in Python basics, be able to build small projects, understand Python interview questions and write Python programs for real world use. And also prepare for jobs like Python developer, engineers, cloud engineer, automation engineer. So today marks the foundation. If your foundation become strong today, so the next 29 days will be very easy and interesting. Here we have learned Python from zero and understand the things with the practical and interview focused questions. And in this step by step journey, we go through with each and every part in a detail. So by the end of the today's class, you will know what is Python is, where Python is used in real life, why Python is important for your career, and how to install Python properly, how to install VS Code and Python extension, how to run your first Python program, how Python interact with user input, and what type of interview questions you will face related to today's topic. So this will help you understand what you will build, how you will build, and why you are learning it. So before we begin, tell me in the comments, why do you want to learn Python? Is it required for your job? Are you planning to switching your career? Or you are moving into data science field and automation, or just learning something new? So I will guide you based on your goal. So let's begin with our Python topic. So first thing is, what is Python? So basically Python is a human friendly programming language, and it feels like writing English sentences, which make it easy for beginners. It is high level, interpreted, general purpose, and beginner friendly. Python was created in 1991 and its goal was simple: make programming easier and more readable. So here you have just write your code, print, and type your string. So it looking short and simple. I can go through with examples also. So in next steps we are going through with that. So first we understand why we where Python is using. So if talking about real world applications, Python is everywhere around you, even if you don't realize it. If talking about first we talking about data science or machine learning. So here example are like YouTube analytics or our Netflix. So these are related to the data science and machine learning, and here we are using Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn. Okay. Next, we have talking about AI or automation. So Chat GPT, auto emails, auto tasks. So here we are using Python libraries like TensorFlow, Selenium. And next, it is related to the web development like our Instagram. Here we are using Django Python libraries. And if talking about cyber security, so in cyber security vulnerability scanning, and here we are using Paramiko or Python libraries. And the next is related to the cloud. So it is a serverless function like AWS Lambda and Azure. So if tomorrow you want to switch into AI, AWS, Azure, or automation, so Python gives you the path. So from today onwards, we will learn Python and practically. And when I write code, you pause this video and write with me. When I ask questions, you answer in the comment. When I give homeworks, you complete it before tomorrow. So do not just watch, type along with me. So next we understand how to install Python into our system. So for that one, you just visit python.org and install with the default system. So I can show you that part. So in browser you type here python.org. So here you have option is download. Okay. So download the latest version and click installer. And remember, while you install your Python, so tick the checkbox add Python to path. This is very important. And once click on install now, so you have get the successfully install your Python. And if you using Windows system, so go to the Microsoft Store, and here you have typed the Python. Different versions are available, so you can go through with any version. So here you have typed that one and install the Python directly from here. And once your installation has been completed, then you can verify the installation with cmd. And here you have type Python dash dash version. So if you see a version number, so it means because currently it is showing a 3.13.9. So if you see a version number, so congratulations, Python is installed correctly in your system. Now next we install the VS Code. Why are we are using the VS Code? Basically, this extension allowed VS Code to understand Python code, highlight error, and run program. And it is easy to write the code. So you just go to in Microsoft Store also. Here you have type Visual Studio Code, and you can install into your system also. And if you have any, so this is the another option you can download from here also. Okay. So once you have installed the Visual Studio Code, then two main important extensions are there. So just go to extension, left side icon is there. In left side icon you can just type Python. So this extension is required to write the code. Here is the Python is option is there, you can install from here. And once Python installation has been done, then second important thing is code runner. So code runner help us to run our code in a easy way. So this can be help us to running our codes. Okay. Like if you go through with the description, like run C++, Java, Python, Perl, Ruby code also, PowerShell, CMD. So this is the important extension. So once install all two extensions, now your system is able to write the first Python code. So let's write our first program together. So this is the moment every developer remember. So just go here and create one file, and I can name as a day1.py. So this is your window. Here you have type your codes. So just we write something like print. So through Control S we have saved this one and run this file. So you get this message. So you have getting your output as a hello Python learners. Okay. So congratulations, you wrote your first Python code. Now we written user interaction programs. So for that one, you just type name, and here we have used the input, enter your name, okay, and then print welcome that name, okay. So now go through with that one and control S. Again run this Python program. Here you have typed like I have typed here Cloud BI Academy. So here you have get welcome Cloud BI Academy. Okay. So here we see something new. We provide some input and input allow our program to talk with the user. So for example, I want to add one more thing here like we so like I have typed here Cloud BI Academy. So you get this message. Cloud BI Academy, welcome Cloud BI Academy. So let's start coding Cloud BI Academy. Okay. So this is the simple program for our first day learning. So I give you a small challenge here, like write a program that asks for your name, your birth year, and print your age. And for age, I give you some idea. Here required subtract birth year from 2025. Then you get your age. So you can practice this one. Now move to our slide. So you have completed install Python, installation VS Code also. You have completed first Python program, user input and output things. I have already given you some idea. Now go through with some interview questions. So what type of language is Python? So you can say that high level, interpreted, and general purpose. And sometimes if someone asks who created Python and when, then you can say that Guido van Rossum in 1991 he has created. And what is the extension of Python files? So .py is the extension file for that. What is pip? Because sometime you have seen that like what is a pip. So pip is basically package manager for Python. Okay. And does Python require compile? So no, it is a interpreted line by line. So interviewers will first test your basics like installation, running code, input, output. So your confidence today remove fear for future topic like loops, functions, object oriented programming, and data structures. So I assign some tasks to you. You can first install Python and VS Code into your system. Write program to print your name 10 times and write input program. Okay. So great work today. Tomorrow is day two where we learn variables, data types, operator, and numbers. So these are the must known topic for interviews and logic building. So like, subscribe, and comment to continue learning. Thanks.